Prime Minister Abiy, thank you for taking my call. We need to speak about the rising tensions around Acess.
Of course, Mr. Secretary. Ethiopia has legitimate concerns and aspirations.
The U.S. supports Ethiopia pursuing peaceful, legal, diplomatically negotiated access, not military attempts.
We are not invading anyone. Ethiopia needs sea access. The world should understand that.
Let me be direct. Acess is internationally recognized as Eritrean territory. The United States cannot support any military attempt to force access to that port. Sea access must be pursued peacefully. No mobilizations, no pressure, no cross-border signaling. Any escalation will destabilize the region and isolate Ethiopia. There is another issue, Prime Minister. The GERD. Ethiopia must stop using it as an intimidation tool against Egypt or any regional ally.
We are not intimidating anyone. The GERD is our right.
Development, yes. Threats, no. Statements implying control over Nile flow or strategic superiority are unacceptable. Here is what Washington expects. 1, immediate de-escalation around Acess. 2, a public commitment to peaceful negotiations. 3, no more military or proxy activities. 4, diplomatic engagement with neighbors. If Ethiopia chooses peace, the U.S. will support long-term solution.
Fine. We will review our posture and adjust accordingly per your instructions. Peace, de-escalation, no GERD pressure, always lecturing me. Always telling me what to do. Always blocking Ethiopia. Always talking about peace when I need action. Acess, why won't they understand? Why won't anyone support me? Everyone! Eritrea blocks me, Egypt complains, America lectures me, even the sea is against Ethiopia.